A crate having mass 50 kg falls horizontally off the back of the flatbed truck, which is traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. Find the value of the coefficient of kinetic friction between the road and the crate if the crate slides 50 meters on the road in coming to rest. The initial speed of the crate is the same as the truck, that means 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, now we will try to write the equation. What he is asking us to find out the coefficient of kinetic friction. So first we will write the force equation. So Fx is equal to max. Okay, so here this is F applied minus F friction is equal to ma. Okay, here the applied force is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore minus F friction is equal to ma. Okay, so we have to find out friction. Mass is given as m is equal to 50 kilograms. And then acceleration is given to us. No. Okay, we have to find out the acceleration also. Initial velocity is given to us as 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, so 100 kilometers per hour means if we convert them, it will become 27.77 meters per second. Okay, and then final velocity is equal to 0. And then it moves a distance of, it slides a distance of 50 meters. So distance is equal to 50 meters. And then acceleration is equal to question mark. Okay, now what we do, we use the kinematic equation. Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2AD. Okay, now Vf is equal to 0, and then Vi is equal to 27.77. Okay, is plus 2 times A times distance is 50 meters. Okay, so what happens here, acceleration is equal to 27.77 whole square divided by 2 into 50. So what is the value here? It gives us a value of 7.84 meters per second square. Okay. Now what we have to find out, acceleration is known to us, and F friction is equal to F friction is equal to mu Fn. Okay, and then again writing the y direction forces, sigma Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg is equal to 0. Okay, therefore Fn is equal to Fg. Okay, and then Fg is equal to mg. So that is equal to 50 into 9.8. Okay, so here F friction is equal to mu into 50 into 9.8. Okay, this is equal to, so mu into 50 into 9.8 is equal to, this is, I will write like this, minus, is equal to minus 50 into 7.84. Okay, 50 goes off and minus sign is also goes off. So we are left with mu is equal to 7.84 divided by 9.8. Okay, 7.84 divided by 9.8 gives you have 7.89, I think. Okay, 1 second. 7.87. This is 7.71. This is. So 7.71 divided by 9.8 is equal to 7.787. The answer. Okay. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.